Hi, I'm Brian Thome, VP of Product Development at Wrike. We created Wrike to help your team stay organized with everything you need to manage your work in one place. It's great for managing the things teams do every day, like sharing and collaborating on documents and tasks. And Wrike also gives you the big picture, with real-time reporting on project and team performance. In order to get you up and running quickly, we've created 3 short videos to help you set up and roll out Wrike to your team. There are 3 steps: setting up your workspace, sharing your vision, and inviting your team to collaborate. By the end, you'll be ready to get your team up and running with Wrike. So let's get started.
Wrike starts off as an empty canvas so that you can organize it the way you want, whatever suits your team best. We'll help you understand the basics so you can add structure to your workspace. Don't worry about the perfect setup. Organizing is messy by nature. You'll refine it over time. To begin, we'll focus on the building blocks used in Wrike: folders, projects, tasks, and subtasks. You already know what folders are. On Wrike, just like on your computer, folders are where you group similar things together in whatever way makes sense for you and your team. But what's unique about Wrike is you can use folders as tags or labels. Your stuff doesn't live in just one place. An item can be in multiple folders. Now let's move on to projects. A project allows you to group folders and tasks that are part of a larger goal. Set a due date and a status so you can track with reports. You can convert a project to a folder and vice versa, so don't worry about figuring out which one is best just yet. Finally, let's talk about tasks. A task is anything that needs to be done in the context of your work. You can define what needs to be accomplished, who will do it, and by what date. You can store the details related to the task in the description by adding attachments and by collaborating with your team through comments. Let's do a quick recap. Folders are for organization and tagging. Projects group items that are part of a larger goal. Tasks are things that need to be done. All 3 building blocks, folders, projects, and tasks, can be shared with others. You can also add tags, attachments, descriptions, and comments to each of them. Now it's your turn. Take a moment to create a folder structure of your own. Consider what you're working on now. How would you like to organize it? By client or project? For instance, you might create a folder for one of your clients. The folder name would be the client name. Within that client folder, you'll add the projects you're working on for that client. Inside of each project, you'll add tasks. And just like that, you've started to use all 3 Wrike building blocks to change your work. Once you start creating folders, projects, and tasks, you'll see just how simple it is to set Wrike up the way you want it. Congratulations! You're on your way to getting things done more efficiently.